My name is Kate and welcome back to Bougie on a Budget. So I just showered and got ready for my day, and now I have 20 minutes before I need to be out the door. And I've been trying to eat as healthy as I possibly can this summer, but I know it's hard when you have a very busy schedule. So I'm going to show you my favorite meal that I throw together, and I can eat off of this for lunch for a week. Plus, the Kardashians eat it, so you know it's bougie. So everything on my counter that's going into the Cowboy Caviar, I bought at Walmart, and in total it cost me about 10 bucks. And I'll usually eat off of it for like 4 or 5 meals, so about $2 a meal, pretty good. Trust me, I can't even get a McDonald's meal anymore for $2. Okay, so this was 3 bell peppers. Again, I got them at Walmart, and let me add that I went to Whole Foods last week and noticed they had this exact same brand of peppers, and they were selling them for $5, and at Walmart, they were $3. So you can get the same stuff at Walmart, they got good produce. So we'll add that. 1 can of corn, I got Walmart's organic brand. This is half a cucumber and a jalapeno. I can't really handle spice, so I like to do a little mix of both, but if you like spice, more power to ya. This is half of a red onion. The last time I did a full, it was a little overwhelming. And then last we have 1 bowl of chickpeas and 1 can of corn. Oh, thank God it was last step. Okay, so we have the finished product. A colorful meal makes me very happy. And personally, I've been trying to eat less processed foods. Like if I can't pronounce it, do I really want to eat it? And again, I'll eat off of this for like 5 days. So give it a try if you need a quick, easy, healthy, delicious meal.